At the top of our list, we encounter a captivating floating orb of light. One of nature's most baffling displays, ball lightning. This rare spectacle is an electrical phenomenon that manifests as luminous spherical objects, often making their appearance amid thunderstorms. The sight is as mesmerizing as it is unexplained. Scientists have been scratching their heads over this for centuries, endeavoring to crack the mystery of these glowing orbs. One theory suggests that ball lightning could be the result of vaporized silicon burning. A lightning bolt strikes the earth, vaporizing the silicon in the soil. As it cools, it condenses and forms a floating orb of light. This is just one of many theories. The truth is, there's no definitive explanation yet. So, the next time you spot a floating UFO light in the sky, keep in mind that it could possibly be the enigmatic occurrence of ball lightning. Phenomena as mysterious as they are fascinating. The rocks that can move on their own, it sounds like the stuff of fantasy, but it's real, and it happens right here on our planet. The strange world of sailing stones. These stones are no ordinary rocks. They move, leaving long inscribed tracks behind them on smooth valley floors, with no human or animal involvement. The phenomenon occurs in several locations worldwide, but is most notably observed in Racetrack Playa, Death Valley National Park, California. So, what makes these stones sail? The answer is a unique combination of natural elements. Recent scientific studies suggest that the movement of these stones is caused by a perfect balance of ice, wind, and sun. When the valley floor freezes overnight, thin sheets of ice form around the stones. As the morning sun melts the ice, the light winds push the rocks across the slippery surface, causing them to sail. Imagine an adventurous rock embarking on a journey, sailing through the vast desert. Let's take a trip to the grasslands of the western part of southern Africa and Australia, where you'll find an intriguing natural phenomenon known as fairy circles. These are circular, barren patches that mysteriously dot the landscape, adding an extra touch of intrigue to these already fascinating regions. But what causes these fairy circles? Well, that's a question that has puzzled scientists for years. Some propose that they're the work of industrious termites, creating these patches as part of their complex underground colonies. Another theory suggests it's all about plant competition, where vegetation battles for water and nutrients, leading to these barren rings. Despite these theories, the true cause remains shrouded in mystery, adding to the allure of these puzzling fairy circles. Ocean waves that glow in the dark. A tranquil night at the sea, and then a wave crashes, illuminating the darkness with an ethereal glow. This isn't a scene from a fantasy movie, but a fascinating natural phenomenon called bioluminescent waves. This spectacle of light is brought to us by tiny marine organisms, phytoplankton known as dinoflagellates. When these microscopic marvels experience movement or disturbance, they emit a captivating light, transforming the sea into a sparkling spectacle. But this isn't just about beauty, there's a survival strategy hidden in this light show. When dinoflagellates are disturbed, they light up, startling and scaring off their predators. And here's the clever part. This glow also attracts larger predators, ones that might fancy a meal of the creatures threatening these tiny plankton. In the vast, mysterious ocean, even the smallest organisms have found the brightest ways to survive. As we journey further into the realm of the unexplained, we find ourselves venturing into the icy waters of Canada. Here lies the phenomenon of the frozen methane bubbles, a sight shrouded in mystery and wonder. These peculiar formations have the subject of numerous unexplained theories and speculations. In the heart of the Canadian wilderness, under the frosty lake's surface, these bubbles captivate the curiosity of many. Is it temperature fluctuations, bacterial activity, or perhaps other natural? The truth remains shrouded under the ice, adding to the enigma of our mysterious world, so hold on to your ice picks. The frozen methane bubbles might just pull you into its mystifying depths. Under the enigmatic skies of Marfa, Texas, a small desert town holds an intriguing secret, the Marfa Lights. These mysterious glowing orbs have been reported to hover, merge, twirl, split into two, and even change colors. They appear randomly, without any discernible pattern or cause, leaving observers both awestruck and baffled. Are these unexplained phenomena a result of atmospheric reflections, ghostly apparitions, or perhaps extraterrestrial visitors? The mystery remains unsolved, adding another chapter to our exploration of the mysterious world. We continue our journey to the realm of the magical winter rivers adorned with ice disks. Circular pieces of ice that rotate in rivers during the frosty winter months. These spinning ice formations are a sight to behold. They spin slowly in the water, their smooth, round shape contrasting with the rushing river. Some can reach up to 15 meters in diameter, forming giant icy turntables that seem to spin on their own. But what causes these icy disks to form and spin? Scientists believe it's a combination of factors: the cold temperature that freezes the river's surface, the river's flow that shapes the ice into a disk, and the melting process of the ice that creates a vortex and sets it spinning. A winter spectacle that adds a touch of magic to our mysterious world. Next on our list, you might get the impression that I pulled it straight out of a sci-fi apocalyptic movie. However, let me assure you that the mesmerizing skies painted with this rare spectacle are indeed very real. The red rainbow. Unlike its multicolored counterpart, the red rainbow is a monochromatic marvel, a stunning sight that occurs when the sun is on the horizon. This atmospheric phenomenon requires specific conditions to form: a low sun, rain in the opposite direction, and a certain amount of atmospheric particles to scatter the sunlight. As the sun sets or rises, its light must pass through more of Earth's atmosphere, scattering the shorter blue and green wavelengths, and leaving the longer red wavelengths to reach our eyes. This results in a breathtaking arc of red light arching across the sky, creating a red rainbow. Culturally, red rainbows have been seen as omens, while scientifically they serve as reminders of the intricate workings of our atmosphere. So if you ever happen to witness this extraordinary and beautiful spectacle, remember that it is not the end of the world, but a fascinating, rare, natural phenomenon. As we marvel at the rare red rainbow, our journey takes us to another atmospheric spectacle, the ring cloud, also known as the hole punch cloud. A rare yet captivating sight, these clouds appear to have a large hole or punch in them, often accompanied by a ring of clouds within the punch. This unusual formation is a result of a unique interplay between temperature, water, and air. When supercooled water droplets in the clouds come into contact with a trigger, like a passing aircraft, they can suddenly freeze and begin to fall, leaving behind a hole or punch in the cloud. The ice crystals then evaporate into a ring of cloud within the hole, creating the distinctive ring cloud. While these clouds have sparked numerous alien and UFO speculations, they are in fact a spectacular display of atmospheric physics at work. Venturing from the awe-inspiring ring clouds in the sky, we now submerge into the icy depths of the polar oceans. Here we encounter the chilling yet captivating phenomenon known as brinicles, often dubbed as the icy fingers of death. These icicle-like structures form beneath sea ice when a flow of extremely cold saline water is introduced to an area of ocean water, creating a descending plume of ice that can reach the sea floor. The brinicles pose a deadly trap for seafloor creatures such as starfish and sea urchins, instantly freezing them on contact. Despite their deadly nature, brinicles play a significant role in our understanding of sea ice ecosystems. Scientists are continuously studying this icy spectacle to better understand its formation process and impacts on marine life. As we continue our journey through the mysterious world, the bewitching brinicles serve as a chilling reminder of the diverse and often deadly beauty that nature holds. Our world is full of weird and wonderful natural phenomena. Each of these phenomena serves as a testament to the endless wonder and mystery our natural world holds. They remind us that even in an age where we think we have all the answers, nature still holds many secrets. So keep exploring, keep wondering, and who knows? You might just stumble upon the next unexplained natural phenomenon. If you want to learn more about these fascinating natural phenomena, click on the next video.